Thank you for joining the NoteWerx demonstration today. This is the dashboard you have in front of you where you end up after you log in. Left hand side you can see your most recently viewed files, quick access to any files you've recently touched. Right hand side is your taskbar. This represents the tasks you've either been assigned or have assigned to yourself as a reminder. And as you can see, you can also see the tasks you assigned to other people with a quick toggle. So let's go right into a loan, take a look at that, and you can see with one click I'm right into the loan detail. You'll notice at the top here we've tabbed out the information to sort it and make it easier for you to navigate and find what you're looking for. Left hand side you'll see that this is static information that goes wherever you navigate the loan. Name, address, status, completion dates, and all the important goodies are going to be housed right here. Take a quick look at some of the tabs. Tasks and Notes is the first default tab you always land on. It will chronicle all the tasks that have been assigned to this loan ever since inception, and history below will also chronicle anything that's happened to the loan since inception. You can see it automatically logs things like sales price, status changes. It also logs anytime you order anything through our vendor system. So it's a pretty robust system, and you can even see that you can filter very easily to find if you're looking for communication. Whatever you're looking for, this is where you're going to find it. This is also where a lot of the servicer notes will flood into once we've linked up with your servicer. You'll also be able to sort through their notes and get an idea of history from their end and their perspective. Let's go to the Financials tab, take a quick look here. You'll notice this has most of the financial goodies, sales price, purchase price, obviously everything that has to do with the notes and its details, as well as the BPO. And this is a good quick glimpse into our electronic library. With the BPO, for example, I can access the BPO with one click. Takes me right to it. Very easy to navigate and very user friendly. So let's close out of here and let me give you a better look at our electronic library in the collateral tab. You notice you can keep everything from your assignments, mortgage, no BPO, and then upload any custom files you want thereafter so that you have everything you need at your fingertips. We've also built in some great one-click features. You can see on the left-hand side here we have a map icon. This takes you directly to the Google map that relates to the property you're looking at. Love this feature. And similarly in financials, we have a Zillow link that if you click on the Zestimate, that link will take you right to the Zillow page of the respective loan. And there you have any comps or whatever you want to look up that Zillow can offer you. Finally, the best feature we have is the vendor services, where we've now made it as easy as possible for you to do your due diligence or update documents. And through this portal you can order BPOs, O&Es, title, hardest hit fund orders, anything you can think of. This is where you're going to do it, and you can order for one loan, many loans. We've made it very user friendly, and again, built into NoteWerx, so you don't even have to leave the site to order the product you want. Let's go ahead and move on to some more universal features, starting with the search option. This is as user friendly and easy to navigate as you can imagine. You can search by name or address, or filter by status, lien position, investor, and so on. It recognizes just single characters or full words, so if I don't know what I'm looking for, I can also just hit the search to unveil everything I have. And you can see how nicely it's laid out for you. Easy to navigate, one click, direct link to the loan itself. And if you don't know which property you're actually looking at, the BPO is still right there to help you out once again. So easy to navigate as everything else is in NoteWerx. We also made it very easy to upload new files. Clicking on new loan, you can enter them individually one by one, or you can do a bulk upload where you just upload any format of a tape and virtually upload 90% of the information with just one or two clicks. Your portfolio will be flooded in and ready to go. Let's move right along to worksheets. This is kind of our crown jewel. This is where you're going to be able to create an Excel sheet of your entire portfolio and customize it to whatever you want to be able to see. So you can see on the left hand side we've generated some templates for you, which are also adjustable. Right hand side you're going to be able to create your own custom worksheet and customize it to whatever you want to see. But to give you a quick idea of what it can do, click on tape will take you to this page where you can see every field that we've captured in the software available to you to include or exclude as you like. And with one click of the button, you'll be able to see a quick Excel sheet that has captured everything you've chosen. And you can also obviously download this to an Excel spreadsheet to manipulate it even further. Let's go back and take a look at the reporting now. office is a link that we're definitely trying to expand right now and offer a lot more analytics, a lot more robust reporting. But right now we've given you some basic ROI features, some very basic accounting features, give you a quick glimpse at how you're doing on your portfolio. Finish off by taking a quick look at our back office support panel, and that's in our admin section right here. You can see there's a lot more robust features here. In the top left hand corner is our user control panel. Very easy to add a new user to the system. A couple of fields. It will give you a new username and password that you can dictate yourself. And as you can see, NoteWerx also gives you a full user permission module. So if there's any user you want to limit to read-only status, or if there's certain fields that you don't want the user to see at all, you can go ahead and hide those at your full customizable control. Going back to the admin tab here, next thing I want to highlight is our email alerts. This will keep your team and communication in full loop. Basically what it does is allow for you to control who gets an email alert anytime a status, a reserve price, or a sales price change has been made. Very easy to add or remove someone from the list. You can see I can just click on add. It would be put right into the list of people to be emailed when a status change happens. And just as easy as that, the same can be done for reserve price and sales price. Again, this is key. You guys have many loans, many people touching loans, and this will keep everyone in the loop of what's going on with the progress of each loan as it moves along. Finally, you guys will love our smart task, bottom right hand corner over here. This is a fully customizable workflow for your portfolio. What it can do is assign automatic tasks that are triggered by either a status change or a time change. To give you a good idea of what it can do, we have a couple of examples here. For example, if any loan gets put into a sold status, Walt will get an automatic task assigned to him to go ahead and cancel the insurance on that property. Obviously, Walt will get an email letting him know, and it'll also show up on his dashboard that he has a new task to complete. Similarly, another good example is the completion of a deed in lieu. When it becomes an REO status, transitioning from a deed in lieu, Adam will get a quick task, let him know that a reconveyance needs to also be sent to the homeowner, and again, Adam will get an email, he'll get on his dashboard. You can see the power that this can have on keeping communication as well as workflow very efficient as far as your portfolio goes. Time task, a good example of that would be a task to remind you to order a new BPO every 6 months. So if a BPO becomes 6 months old, whoever you want to get the task designated will receive an email and a task on the dashboard letting them know that this file has an expired BPO and a new one needs to be ordered. So you can see the power of the smart task. It gives you full managerial control and makes your portfolio that much more efficient. Well, that's it for now. Hopefully you got a good look at the power of NoteWerx and how it can help you organize your portfolio as well as manage it and take it to the next level. We have a lot of goodies coming out in the next 60 to 90 days that will even take this to whole new heights. We have servicer integration where we'll be downloading data directly from servicers and facilitating communication between servicers and our users. Everything from payment history to notes to tasks. You'll be fully integrated with your servicer, making communication again that much easier. We also have custom fields on tap. That should be in the next 60 to 90 days as well. You'll be able to customize your entire loan detail, adding and removing fields as you like. So we have webinars all the time. Please feel free to call or contact us anyway. We'd love to show you a little more detail of what it can do. But this should give you a good idea of how it can help you take your portfolio to the next level. We hope to talk to you soon and see you on another webinar.